mess right there? We're gonna take care of that. Today, I'm gonna take this table and make it better. How am I gonna do that? With this drawer and another one just like it. Man, them drawers look cool. I'm gonna take this fan and mount it with this here TV mount. Get it off my bench and onto the wall. See that Busch Light sign up there? Wait till you see how easy and cheap I framed that thing with that old rustic wood. You won't even believe it. What's this, you ask? My elevator. I'm gonna show you how I use it as a boom to flip this table upside down, put it on a cart so I can work on it easier. Let's get that table flipped over. All right, first let's get this table out of the way so we can put the boom on. She rolls smooth, real smooth. And you bolt it on, knock her down. Oh, before I go all the way up to put that table under here to flip it over, hit subscribe. I've got a video coming out soon that's gonna have a detailed description of everything I did and how I built this elevator. Also, I got some extreme tests coming on the tool swing that you're not gonna wanna miss. Hit that subscribe button. Okay, I hope this goes well. Okay, now I can use the boom to get it the rest of the way. Okay, I got it hooked up. All right, let's do it. I did it wrong. I should have been on the underside of this, but this is gonna work. We'll get her on its top here. Okay, I've got it rigged up here. We're just gonna give it a shot. All right, that should get us up enough to get the cart underneath. Yeah, we look pretty good. Next will be chopping holes in this thing. These are server drawers. You can buy them on Amazon. Pretty heavy duty. They're not bad. I'm gonna cut slots into my 3-inch square tubing. I'm gonna put 2 of them, one over here, one over here. I'd put 3, but just a little bit too short. See that mess right there? Them drawers are gonna take care of that. Okay, I've got all my tools out. I got some marks marked, you can see. I got some marked anyway. I just want to say, I really appreciate all you guys watching. I'm going to try to take time each video and just tell you guys how much I appreciate it. I really do. It really feels like we're just hanging out. You know what I mean? All right, let's do some cutting. Okay, I got all my horizontal lines cut with this thing. Now I'm going to take and get the vertical lines with this little die grinder. I'm going to do that now. All right, then I just took this guy right here, little belt sander I got, a little attachment for the right end of the grinder to smooth them up a little bit. It worked good, real good. Hey guys, I'm going to go get a new grinder. Do you guys go for the switch or do you guys go for the paddle? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to go get one soon, real soon. Let me know. Okay, let's put them drawers in. I know they fit because I tried already, but let's get them put in. I'm just going to use some self-tappers. Oh yeah, that's smooth, real smooth. All right, well I'm going to go ahead and put them self-tappers in and we're going to brace up the backs of those drawers. I'll come back when we're ready for that. Okay, I'm just going to use these for spacers. Oh, that's a sharp bit. It ain't going nowhere. Nice and smooth. Those are gonna be nice. All right, let's get her flipped over and put her back to work. All right, well, stand back. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know how this cart's gonna handle this, but we're gonna just see what happens. Holy shit. Holy shit. Well, I got a new gouge in my table. I'm gonna have to tape them shut so I don't bend them. All right, I got a plan. Don't know if it'll work, but. Okay, now I'm just gonna re-rig the strap. Okay, I got it rigged up. I just wanted to show you how I did it. You guys can all make comments about, should have did this, should have did that. Just ran under the top, came over to here. We'll see if it works. I gotta show you the battle scar right there. Hit the corner right here. All right, look at that thing. Man, them drawers look cool. Okay, I'm gonna take these Harbor Freight magnets. I'm gonna chop them. I'm gonna chop them the lengthwise. Then I'll have a couple other short pieces where I can organize things a little better. I'd say those dividers work pretty good. All right, now let's get on to the fan mount. Okay, I got some parts rounded up and somewhat ready to go. Got my fan. All right. Well, I think it's gonna work. I think it's tight enough that it'll stay. And if not, I can just grab her wrench, tighten her up a little bit. That's gonna be nice when she gets warm. Gonna be real nice. All right, and we'll meet you on the other side to mount it on the wall. Okay, here we are on the other side. Got this up there. I just wanna mention this drill press here. It's got a magnet drill on top of a regular drill stand that I built a couple weeks ago. The video came out last Saturday. Check it out. It'll be up here. Check that video out. There's a free t-shirt giveaway going on there too. Let's get this up. I just noticed this, but look where that fan's gonna live, right next to them two girls. That's gonna be nice, real nice. All right, let's get it up there. Well, I'm just gonna use a couple of these old fence boards for the frame. I'm just gonna rip a few of these down. All right, now I'm just gonna measure what I need for length and go cut some 45s. Okay, now I'm just gonna lay them out here on the table. All right, now we're gonna go up over to the wall and hang this shit up. Okay, going up. That look good. Let me know if I need to move it quick. All right, I guess I'll just do it then. Nobody said nothing. Oh yeah, that's looking good, real good. What do you think? Does it look good? I think it looks real good. All right, let's go down and see. Wait, don't go anywhere. You gotta see what's coming up next. Well, this is just part one of a big series, multiple part series of redoing the shop. I'm gonna be redoing that wall. I'm gonna be redoing this wall. I wanna get this shop more organized. And also, I've got a lot of crazy builds that I've done over the years. Like this thing. Thing works really good too. It works off of just a regular cordless drill. And this thing, what even is that? I got a list of videos this long that are gonna be really interesting. I promise you that. These things being automated, I think would be pretty cool, really cool. And a lot more that I guarantee you've never seen anywhere else.